So, a very good afternoon, all of you. This is your friend Jatin from Pariksha Expert e-Pathshala. Now, in today's video, we are going to study how to learn the three identities of trigonometry. At times, we have seen that children usually forget what is 1 plus tan square theta, what is 1 minus sine square theta, and so on. So, today in this video, I am going to tell you the easiest way to learn these identities. And if you even forget, you can very easily derive them in your rough section. I bet if you see this video very carefully, I bet that you will never forget the method to learn these identities. So let us start. Now, to learn these identities, the only thing that we should know is that we are dealing with trigonometry. We have the angle theta and the perpendicular is the opposite side of that angle theta. This is the base and the longest side we have taken it as hypotenuse. I have drawn it in a rough manner. You can always go in with the fair diagrams. Now, we know that the Pythagoras theorem says p square plus b square is equal to h square. Remember this. If this is known, any of the identities can be very easily derived. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to first divide this Pythagoras theorem by h square. What I mean to say is I'm going to divide this p square plus b square by h square. Like we have p square plus b square is equal to h square. I'll divide this whole equation by h square. What we get in return is, what is p upon h? We have p square upon h square. So what is p upon h? P upon h is sine square theta. B upon h, base upon hypotenuse, you will get cos square theta, and h square upon h square is 1. This is how we derive the first identity. Now for the second identity, again take the same equation. It is p square plus b square is equal to h square. Now in this case, first we have divided the equation by h square, but now we are going to divide it by p square. So divide the whole equation by p square. P square upon p square, you will get it as 1. B upon p is cot, and h upon p, you know that it is cosec. Hence you will get the another identity which is to be. For the third identity, we again will use p square plus b square is equal to h square, and we are going to divide this time this Pythagoras equation by p square. What we get is p square upon b square means tan square theta plus 1, because b square upon b square is 1. H upon b, it is the opposite of cos, which means this is sec. So in this manner, without much difficulty, just only using the Pythagoras theorem, we have derived the three identities. I hope it's easy to learn to all of you, and it is always going to benefit each and every one of you. Thanks. Stay healthy, stay safe.